What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add melodies to your Jersey Club tracks. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Now, this is my second time doing this, and in the first video I was demonstrating how I made all of this, but since all the sound was not recorded in the first video, what I'm going to do is just leave this project file down for you to download. Now I'm going to play the track that I did for you, and I'm going to show you where I got the sample from. So let me play it for you first.
Yo, brother, stop and come up. Say, bus stop. Bus stop? No, not like that idiot boy. Oh, look more bass in your voice and squint up your face. Ugly your face. Look like Ninja Man. Look like Ninja Man.
Yo, bus stop.
Idiot boy.
Bus stop.
Idiot boy.
Bus stop.
No, not like that.
Bus stop. Yo,
Bus
so
stop. Idiot boy.
bus stop.
Idiot boy.
Bus stop.
No, not like that.
Bus stop. Yo,
Let me after my general. Yeah.
Now, all the sounds that I use in this track are from my unplugged loop pack, Internet Explorer preset bank, and both drum kits, the Nap Time and Jersey Club Essential drum kit. Now I'm gonna play the sample by itself. I got this sample from TikTok.
Yo, brother, stop and come up. Say, bus stop.
bus stop.
No, not like that idiot boy. Pull look more bass in your voice and squint up your face. Ugly your face. Look like Ninja Man. Look like Ninja Man.
Yo, bus stop.
No, you just sound like a pervert. You sound weird. Or here now. Put look more bass night and put look more slam night.
Yo, let me after my general.
Yeah.
If you want a video of me demonstrating how to add melodies to your Jersey Club tracks, let me know in the comments below.